Hey there, tech-savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your online shopping smoother. Today, we're tackling how to use 2 cards on Amazon in 2025. With Amazon constantly updating its features, using 2 payment methods, like splitting a big purchase between your credit card and debit card, can help you manage budgets or earn rewards more effectively. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. If you aren't, just head to the Amazon website or app and sign in with your credentials. This ensures all your saved payment methods are ready to go. Once you're in, start by adding the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. Browse around, select your products, and hit that Add to Cart button. When you're all set, proceed to checkout by clicking on the cart icon and then proceed to checkout. Now, here's where the magic happens. On the payment page, you'll see your default payment method listed. To add a second card, look for the Payment Method section and click on Add a Payment Method, or the equivalent option. Amazon might have a sleeker interface by 2025, but it's usually straightforward. Enter the details for your second card, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. After adding the second card, you can split the payment. In the payment summary, allocate specific amounts to each card. For example, if your total is $100, you could put $50 on one card and $50 on the other. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Finally, review your order one last time, make sure the shipping details are correct, and hit Place your order. You're done. By 2025, Amazon may have even more seamless options, like automatic splitting, so keep an eye on updates. This method is super handy for avoiding overdrafts or maximizing rewards, but always check for any new policies or fees. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more shopping hacks. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.